Hello everyone, today I will show you how to move pages ups and down using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now select Home option and select your page thumbnail option. Now click on your page you want to move up and simply drag your mouse and move up. And see this page now move up. Also I'll move this page down and see this. In this you can move down. Also I'll move this page down and see this. Also this one and up this page and see this. In this way we can ups and down manual way. Also select this page organize option. I'll also find this move option. Select first I'll increase this page thumbnail bar and select move option. I'll move this page number 5 as page number 6. Type here page number 5, type comma, and already selected here page number 6 and after. Also we select OK and see this. Also I'll move this page number 2 as first page and up. Select move option. Type here page number 2 and type comma and select here page number 1 and select here B4 and first page. Also select OK and see this. In this we can move ups and down our PDF pages and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.